Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve API security with 42Crunch, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of API security in today's digital landscape. APIs are essential for applications but can also be vulnerable to various security threats. Begin by signing up for a 42Crunch account on their website. After creating your account, log in to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface. This will help you navigate easy. Next, import your API specification. You can do this by uploading a file or entering a URL to your API schema. 42Crunch supports formats like OpenAPI, Swagger, and RAML. Once your API specification is successfully imported, review the details. The platform will analyze your API and provide an initial security assessment. Take note of any vulnerabilities identified in this assessment. Next, explore the Security Policies section. Here, you can define rules that will help mitigate potential threats. Consider implementing policies such as authentication and rate limiting. Use the integrated security testing tools to scan your API. These tools will help identify any weaknesses or compliance issues. Address the vulnerabilities reported by the testing tools. Make necessary adjustments to your API configuration in code. Once adjustments are made, run the security tests again to ensure improvements. Continue iterating this process until you achieve a satisfactory security level. Finally, set up ongoing monitoring for your API. This will help you stay alert to new vulnerabilities as they arise. With these steps, you have significantly enhanced your API security using 42Crunch. Stay informed about API security trends to continuously protect your applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.